binomial versus a binomial. So bi means 2. This will be a set of 2 times a set of 2. Do something real simple. Let's say x squared minus 5. It's a binomial, 2 terms, first term, second term. And let's do x plus 3. Again, 2 terms, x plus 3. Well, there's 2 ways to do this. I'm going to show you the more complicated way first, followed by the more common way. We'll see which one sticks. I'm going to use an area model method. If you remember back from my first video with multiplying, 3 ways to multiply, area model method was the 3rd way to multiply. In this case, I think it's a really easy procedure to use because you're going to see how it applies from regular multiplication to multiplying bi and trinomials. Plus, it'll also help you when you get into trinomials and quadratics, so on and so forth. So let's set it up with our area. So I'm going to draw my rectangle or square, whichever you prefer. Okay. And just like you multiply length times width to find area, we have our length and we have our width. We can make this length, we can make this width, whichever you want to do. And think about it, x squared minus 5, well, this is how it relates to multiplying regular numbers. If I have 25, 25 is really made up of 20 plus 5. 20 plus 5. Okay? So x squared minus 5, same kind of idea, really, except we can't add them because we don't know what x is. So we have to leave it as an x. So we can do x squared and then 5, and that's a minus. And I'll put my line to separate my terms. We have x plus 3, so we'll do x plus 3. Put your plus sign there, draw your line to separate your terms. And so we multiply your length and your width. X times x squared. Oh, multiplying with exponents, you simply add the exponents. That's really a 1, so we end up with x to the 3rd power, 2 plus 1. Next I have x times 5, which will give us 5x. So 5x. 3 times x squared, 3x squared, and 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. So you've got your partial products, just like for the area model method, and we're going to combine like terms, add them together. Now I see that I've got a cubed, x to the 3rd, I got x squared, I got x, and I've got 15. So I don't really have any terms I can combine because they all have different variables, well, different exponents. So we can take these outside of the area model, just like we did before. I'll come over to this side. So x cubed, always using standard form. Make sure you write in descending order from the largest exponent down to the smallest. X cubed, x squared, and oh, hang on, don't forget our signs. X times x, that's positive. Well, this is negative over here, right? And that's a negative over there. Always remember your signs. The easier rookie mistake to make. Okay, x cubed. Well, let's go x squared because that's our next highest term. And that's positive. Plus 3x squared minus 5x minus 15. And there you got it. There's your answer. And that's one way to multiply a binomial times a binomial.